Hello and welcome to Watch Recycle. My name is Chris, and today I'm working on a Garmin Forerunner 920XT. This is a GPS fitness tracking watch. This watch is actually my old swim bike run watch. I've owned it for years, and the rubber strap is torn, as you can see. These rubber straps usually last me approximately 2 years. I don't use this watch for a fitness tracker anymore. It's just a beater now. So my plan is to install a NATO strap in place of the rubber strap. My only concern with adding the NATO strap is, will the watch fit into the UBS charging cradle with the NATO strap attached? The bars that secure the strap are two-piece bars, and they're easy to remove. I've changed the strap many times over the years. When you purchase a new replacement rubber strap, they come with the tools to remove the bars. I've saved the tools, and the tools I'm using now are the ones that came with the actual replacement strap. These drivers are not screwdrivers. They're actually torque type fit bits. So if you try to use a screwdriver, you're just going to strip the bars out. So don't try to use a screwdriver. In this case, to add a NATO strap, if you don't have the proper Torx drivers, you can actually just go ahead and use an X-Acto knife just to cut the strap and peel it off. It'll probably be easier to do that in this situation rather than me removing the bars, but since I have the Torx drivers, I'm just going to go ahead and remove the bars using the bits. Now I'm going to take a soft bristle brush and just clean the case of any dirt and debris that may be left under the bars in the old rubber strap before I reinstall the bars and install a NATO strap. I'm going to install the bars the same way I took them out. Just slide them through the case and add the screw top to the other side. Working on the bench in a flat position and trying to film it's not the easiest thing to do. It's pretty awkward. Actually, I would have been better served to put the watch case in a holder clamp and hold it vertically so I could work on it rather than trying to work on it on a flat surface. It would have been a lot easier to do, but trying to film it, I'm trying to do it on the flat surface. So I've decided to add a 24 millimeter NATO strap. This is the one I've chosen. I'm going to remove this pass-through strap on the back of the NATO strap so that we can use it as a single pass NATO strap, so it will sit as low as possible in the cradle and on the wrist. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut and remove the pass-through strap. With the pass-through strap removed, next I want to take a lighter with a low flame, and I just want to pass that cut end through the low flame and seal the nylon, making sure to seal it, but I don't want to catch it on fire, so just passing it through the heat. Once that's sealed, ready to put it on the watch. Pretty happy with that. It's a pretty snug fit putting the NATO strap through, but there's plenty of room for it. It goes through just snug. Now I'm going to pull it tight so it sits as low as possible. Put as much tension on it as I can. And there we have it. NATO strap installed, and I think it looks pretty good. Now the moment of truth. We got to test it and see if it fits in the charging cradle, if it'll lock in there with the strap on, and will it charge. And it snaps right in, no problem, no force needed. Snaps right in, just like it had a rubber strap on it, even though it has the NATO strap. So I'm really pleased with that. Just a perfect fit. And there we have it, all done. NATO strap installed and ready to get back on the wrist. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. It helps the channel out. And I'll see you in the next one.